How to convert your leads into sales with different CRM features. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your leads into sales. So let's get into it. Now, everyone knows about CRM. It is customer relation management, and it is very essential in any business now to have a CRM feature, have a CRM platform that they are using. If you're not using a CRM, then you're really wasting a lot of time because you're going to be able to automate a lot of your processes relating to your customers with this kind of CRM. So the two CRMs I'm going to primarily talk about are HubSpot and Pipeline, which are two of the major ones that I have previously used within several businesses. Now, if we take a look at the different features, and I'm going to show you exactly how you convert leads into a actual paying customer. So with any CRM, you have your leads or contacts, and then you're going to just add new lead. I'm going to add a simple lead. I'm just going to name my lead Janet, and then I'm going to click on save over here. And then once you have a basic lead, how do I convert this person into just browsing my product to an actual customer? Well, first off, I need to understand how did they come across my product? How do I actually receive this lead? Obviously, you're going to have this information added in your lead. So let's say Janet is a person maybe that wants to place a order for 100 t-shirts for a specific purpose, and I'm here to convince them that they should do it with my business. How do I do that? First off, I have this lead. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a email address, whatever email address that I am using with them, whatever communication that I have, and I'm going to send them a very essential hello, thank you for contacting us. You will be responded to shortly by one of our coordinators or managers, and we would love to do business with you. That is a automated email that I would send initially to anyone that contacts me on the business email. So that is one thing you need to do. If it is a issue, it could be an error. Let's say if it's not this kind of person, you want to make sure that your email is very standardized, which could be applicable to any kind of lead. So that is going to be your first step to convert people. That is going to be a automated initial email that will enable them to feel more comforted that, okay, this business is active, they are managing their CRM, they are active, they don't, take days and days or weeks to respond. And this would give you a better way to communicate with your customers. Now, the next feature is that once you are in the deal making process, so once you have the deal making process, you're going to add it into Pipedrive. So let's say we have a proposal made. Once you're in the negotiations process, you need to make sure within your negotiations, let's say we're going to add Janet, we're going to add that, and then you're going to add the probability of your deal. So this will enable you to value certain deals over others. Let's say that you can only print around 150 t-shirts every week, and there are two customers that are one is wanting to print maybe 100 t-shirts, and the other one wants to print 150 t-shirts within the next week. You might be wondering like, hey, I want the 150 lead. So with that lead, what you need to do is have the expected probability. If the probability of that person actually closing the deal with you is 50% and the probability of the other person is maybe 80% or 90%, then as a business, you're going to go with the safer option, or you're going to make sure that you have automated this process to go with the safer option and go with the person that has the higher probability. That is because your business is essential that you don't take losses. So for those kinds of situations, you need to use and make sure that you are able to evaluate your negotiations process or evaluate the deal value in real time. And that is really only possible with these features within any kind of CRM tool like Pipeline. So in Pipeline, this is the board, and you're going to see all of your deals over here and be able to browse their probability, and you can just focus on the ones with higher probability that are, clashing with the ones that are low probability, and you can focus on the high probability ones. And this is one of the second features that I love using on any CRM. Now, after that are specific campaigns to run, and this is not lead directed, but this is going to help you in getting overall leads. So if you have any product, any kind of service that you're providing, marketing and email marketing are just very essential. You have this on any kind of platform. Let's say if you have marketing, you have email marketing on HubSpot, Pipeline, any platform. What you're going to do is you're going to create a campaign, seasonal campaign. You can run newsletters, you can create seasonal campaigns. So you're just going to click on create email. You can create a newsletter to remind people of the products that you have, pre-existing products. You can market new drops, and this will just be to create some hype around your product product or service. If you're running any other kind of business, just create a campaign displaying the good work of your employees or anything like that to keep people interested in your business, and this will keep regenerating or having returning customers to your business. And this will enable you not only to have a good conversion, but it will also enable you to have recurring customers. And then after that, you have other features like scheduling. So scheduling and automation are very important things. If you go onto workflow automation on Pipedrive over here, you can automate a lot of your different tasks, like the emails that I initially talked to you guys. Let's say that every time a deal is added, you send a private Microsoft Teams message. So you can really automate a lot of these processes, and that is why you really like to use these, especially if you're working with a large team. Not all of those people are going to be added to the CRM. Instead, they would be working on your project management software or business management software. So what you can do is every time a new lead is added, you can create a task on your social media or project management software like Asana, Monday, or ClickUp that this specific person has to contact them. Or whenever a new lead is added, you can add a task to make sure that someone is assigned to deal with this specific customer or this specific lead or pursue this specific lead. So this is just one of the many ways that you are going to be making the most out of your CRM, because these features are so impeccably complicated and amazing that if you were to do all of these tedious things all at once, you're going to be drowned in work that are going to be, tedious processes that are not going to get you the conversions that you want. Now, after that, let's say you have leads, you followed all of these tips. What more can you do to get your leads to make sure that they are converting customers? Well, one thing that you can do is provide incentives. So you can go into your insight and take a look at the deals won over time or the deal progression and see wherever your deal is starting to go down, whatever is the overall time where your deals start lacking, you can offer your future customers a incentive at that point. So this will enable you to provide the best customer service, because whenever you feel like the person at least waning away from you, you can provide them with the incentive that is going to be small, but it's going to reincur their interest in your business. So, and you're now able to convert your leads into customers, and not only just customers, but as returning customers. And make sure to follow all these tips, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to be pretty good. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.